What's up YouTube? We are back again with another custom. Today I have my pair of off-brand Birkenstock slides that I use for everyday wear, and I'm just going to simply turn these into something wearable. So starting off, what I normally do is I push out the toe box area by just simply putting some newspaper inside the shoe. Normally, I would clean the shoe first, but the look that I'm going with today is more of a wear and tear look, so I honestly thought that some of the scuffs and bruises would add a bit more detail to the shoe. For this process, you will be needing any color paint that pretty much matches your wardrobe and some paintbrushes. Once the first session is done, I took a notice at the shoe and I was wanting to make these shoes a bit more unique, and all I wanted to do is focus more on the toe box area, adding more detail to where when I wear pants, then you're able to see the custom a lot more. Last step is to simply spray some varnish onto the shoe. That way the paint stays on as long as you need it to. Now with this shoe, I was going with a more of a wear and tear look. I wanted to look a bit more natural rather than just splatter everywhere. I wanted these shoes to look accidental, and they turned out amazing. Take a look at this.